This is where we overlay our crown library over the patient's arch to give you an excellent proposal. The software does most of the work by choosing from hundreds of thousands of examples for each tooth and picking the design best suited for the tooth, allowing you to simply approve the proposal. With good scans, this page will be skipped a majority of the time. But if you get to the final design page and the crown appears to need a lot of manipulation, you may need to return to the crown library page and make sure the proposal looks correct. On this page, the goal is to make sure the proposed crown for the preparation is positioned ideally. This will minimize the time you spend on the final design. Crowns from the library appear white when they have found a match with the patient's arch. Crowns that are gray have not found a match with the patient's arch. If the crown library is not in line with the patient's arch, you can click and hold one of the blue spheres and drag it towards the patient's teeth until the library finds a match. Once the arch is in line, you can move, rotate, and scale the proposal to customize it for the patient's anatomy. To move the proposal, click the Move tool icon. Arrows will appear showing which directions the crown can be moved when the cursor is above the crown. This function is view dependent, so view the crown from above to move side to side, and view the buccal or lingual to move up and down. To rotate the crown, click the Rotate tool icon. A blue circle will appear showing the axis of rotation when the cursor is above the crown. The rotation is view dependent, so to rotate the proposal mesial to distal, view it from the lingual or buccal sides. To rotate the proposal buccal or lingual, view from the mesial or distal sides. To twist the proposal, view from the occlusal. Click and hold the proposal and drag side to side to rotate the crown. To scale the proposal, click the Scale tool icon. Green arrows will appear showing how the crown will be scaled when the cursor is above the crown. When the green arrows surround the crown, the entire proposal will be scaled. Click and hold over the proposal, then drag the mouse up or down to scale it. When viewing from the lingual or buccal, you can scale the crown's height. The Erase icon in the upper left can remove any crown from the library that is not needed. Click on the icon, then click on the crown that is not needed to remove it. Once you are satisfied with your changes, continue to the design page by clicking Design on the lower right of the screen.